Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce load balancing issues with F5 networks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce load balancing issues with F5 networks, start by assessing your current architecture. Identify the key components of your load balancing setup, including servers, applications, and network infrastructure. Ensure all devices are running the latest firmware and software versions for optimal performance and security. Review your traffic distribution methods. Evaluate whether you're using round-robin, least connections, or other algorithms to determine the most suitable one for your environment. Monitor the performance metrics of your back-end servers. Look for CPU usage, memory consumption, and response times to identify potential bottlenecks. Configure health monitors to regularly check the status of your services. Set up proactive alerts to monitor service availability and notify your team of any issues. Implement session persistence if necessary. This will help ensure users remain connected to the same server during their session. Review and configure your load balancing rules. Ensure they are optimized for your application's traffic patterns. Consider using SSL offloading to improve performance. This reduces the processing load on your back-end servers by handling SSL encryption on the F5 device. Deploy caching strategies where applicable. This can significantly reduce server load by serving repeated requests from the cache. Regularly test your load balancing setup. Conduct tests to simulate different traffic loads and analyze how the system responds. Utilize F5's analytics tools to gain insights into traffic patterns and server performance statistics. Regularly audit your configurations. Keep them current with evolving application needs and traffic trends. Finally, document changes and maintain a rollback plan for quick recovery in case issues arise. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce load balancing issues with F5 networks and enhance overall application performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.